everyone, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Watching this caramel apple cake being built just makes me so calm. And with just 4 easy recipes, you can have your cake and eat it too. This apple cake recipe is a spin-off of my famous carrot cake. Simply by replacing the carrots with apples, you have a totally new cake. It's a really simple one-bowl mix where you basically just add the dry ingredients into the liquid ingredients and whisk everything smooth. I always like to bake my cakes in 3 7-inch pans, but this will also work great as a 2-layer 8-inch cake instead. While the cakes are baking, go ahead and make the caramel sauce. Simply boil up the sugars with the salt and the plant milk until it starts to turn caramel in color, and then you'll add the vegan butter and the vanilla extract and then just let it cool. It will thicken up as it cools but still remain pourable and sauce-like. So set that aside, and now you're going to make the apple filling recipe. By combining sugar, cinnamon, and water in a sauce pot and then bringing that up to a rolling boil, you'll then add the thickener, which is cornstarch and water, and then reboil to activate the cornstarch. Then add the chopped apples and cook until they are fork tender. Now by this time your caramel sauce should be cold, and you can add about 1/2 cup to your favorite buttercream recipe. As always, all the links for the recipes are below this video in the box, so just click on through to grab everything you'll need. And now you have a luscious caramel buttercream. Alright, now that you have all of your recipes prepared, the best part is building this cake. Well, of course the best part is eating this cake, but we have to build it first. With layers of caramel buttercream and piles of apple filling between each layer, that caramel buttercream wraps this cake up into a perfect package. And then loads of caramel sauce for the topping. The dehydrated apples are optional, but really pretty if you ask me. And there you have yourself the most delicious caramel apple cake ever. I really hope you're going to try this recipe, so head on over to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab it. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.